Cooler-lined front patch pocket for snacks. Wipe-able material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Internal woven label for personalization, write in your name. Padded shoulder straps for extra comfort. 2 water bottle pockets. Send them off to school ready for the day. This backpack has a cooler pocket in front for snacks. The main compartment is the right size for books and lunchboxes, and water bottles fit in the side pockets. Padded straps make for comfortable carrying. Top reviews from the United States. Buy it. This backpack is legit. I wavered on it cause it's a kid's backpack, but it honestly fits all my college stuff. Plus the front pocket is a cool